Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Google Cloud Cybersecurity Certificate 2025. This is the beginner level certification, and the Google Cloud Cybersecurity Certificate is provided by the Google Cloud, and this is the registration link. We'll go through this. This is a beginner Google Cloud Cybersecurity Certificate. There's a 5 activities are there. Last updated 2 months ago. So just imagine yourself for this certification, and there is a journey into the exciting realm of cloud cybersecurity begins. So resume your learning path. I have already click on this. That's right. There is a one. There's a total is 5 activities. One is there introduce to cybersecurity principle on cloud computing, strategies for the cloud security risk management. This is 18 hours 15 minutes course. This is 21 hours 45 minutes course. Next is the cloud security risk, and next is the detect, response, and recover from the cloud security attacks. These are the 26 hours course. And finally, the put all together and beginner Google Cloud Cybersecurity Certificate achievement. Completing the beginner Google Cloud Cybersecurity Certificate allow you to access new opportunities to the increase your expertise. So you have to go step by step process. And final beginner Google Cloud Cybersecurity Certificate survey will be there. Congratulations on the completing of the Google Cloud Certificate. You will love your feedback. So step by step process you will go, and last you have to give the 2 minutes for the survey. So start survey will be there, and here you can see the view achievement. So one by one you have to complete all the things, just like I'm going to start with the first one. First activity. So in left side you can able to see there is a course detail is there. If you click anyone, and before doing this one, just please log into your account. So here we will get all the details and tips, and there is a video tutorial are also there.
Thanks to the cloud, we can now interact with data.
So you have to complete all the things. Last you will get here the test your knowledge. Test your knowledge, secure cloud data storage. You have to complete this one, all the details, and then you have to go to the next. You have to get at least 80%, so pass this as assessment. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Google Cloud Cybersecurity Certificate 2025. This is for the beginner level certificate, and registration link is given there. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.